Servidio's night. He hits the fastball, lays off a bunch of breaking balls there. It's kind of textbook in a lot of ways against Detmers.
No, great night, and one of the few guys, for us offensively that really had a good night, and just, kind of how you draw it up left on left, facing one of the best pitchers in the country, and had a terrific night for us.
You mentioned he's one of the best pitchers in the country. What makes him so tough?
Well, you can see, we just couldn't catch up to the fastball. The breaking ball is good enough to keep you off. It looks like he picked up a slider. We didn't know that going in, but it looks like he threw a little, two different breaking balls. But and again, he's a lot like Doug. We had said that all week, where you can see the competitiveness, and when we had him on the ropes, of course we're disappointed in some of the at-bats that we had, and when I say on the ropes, when we had opportunities with runners on, he got better, and he made pitches and got off the field, and those guys are special.
Louisville just hitting good pitches, or would you kind of stick for Doug there in the sixth?
I don't know. We'll have to go back and look at it on video. I just thought a really good at bat by Baker. He takes the ball to left, and then Oriente, we tried to get the ball off the plate. It was really kind of a setup pitch, and he's going in probably their best hitter when you look at it. I know Benelis gets all the, but he's from the right side. He's equally as dangerous and big leader for them, and that was the killer, because we thought that at 0-1 we could kind of miss and make another pitch after that, and he gets the big base hit, and then the inning just explodes. And it's really, I just said on the air, the difference in the game is, regardless of the score, they just played better than us. When they needed to make pitches, they made them. When they needed to make plays, they made them. When they needed to have really good at-bats, they did, and that's why they're so good. Tonight, we didn't really do that. We had a couple, nice at-bats by Bench and Servideo with guys on, but beyond that, we wasted too many opportunities. And then on the other side of the ball, we couldn't make pitches to get off the field. That was the original question, but that's really the ball game. We couldn't make a play. Gave them 3 runs, and seems like we're not giving them credit, but that's the difference. They moved the ball, made things happen. We didn't make plays to get off the field.
What did you think of Dunhurst defensively?
I mean, it's tough. It's tough to judge catchers in one game. He's going to be terrific. He had a tough pass ball tonight, but then a great job throwing a guy out. It's tough to. You writing a story on Dunhurst?
No.
Okay.
I just thought he was going to throw him out.
Yeah, it's tough.
Bigger picture.
I don't think I've ever had anybody ask about how he was.
Bigger picture with the defense, a couple errors tonight, also a couple of big plays with the arms. Just how do you think the guys feel with the new alignment, I guess?
Say it one more time.
The defense, just what did you think?
I thought it was bad. I don't know if it's 4 errors. It's probably closer to 3. But again, we need to make some nice plays by the bench out there, and kind of like what we thought. Infielders run out in the outfield and they make it look easy. And he made a nice play up against the wall and a slide and catch. And so that was nice. But and that's not to be the upset coach, but I thought going in, we would be able to pitch and really play defense, and we gave them too many opportunities. And tough play by Baker, play in the ninth, a couple errors, play in the first that really made the inning longer than it should have, and so those things come back to haunt you when it's, the guys are pitching well.
I don't recall from last season. Can Broadway usually bounce back after that number of pitches?
I would assume he's done for the weekend.
Thanks, man.
Thanks.